You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back. So, you've moved to Portugal, settled into your new home, and you're adjusting to life abroad. Now it's time to embrace the experience fully. Because in today's episode, we're going to explore how to make the most out of your new life in Portugal, from cultural experiences and social interaction to expat resources. Plus, we're going to discuss how SDC International Shipping will continue to support you even after you've arrived. Living in Portugal is an adventure filled with rich traditions, stunning landscapes, and a relaxed lifestyle. Let's dive into how you can make the most of your journey. Exploring Portugal's rich culture. One of the best ways to feel at home in Portugal is to immerse yourself in its culture. First, language. While many do speak English, learning Portuguese will enhance your experience and help you connect with locals. Cuisine. Try traditional dishes like salted cod, kale soup, and the very famous custard tarts. Festivals and traditions. Portugal has a vibrant festival scene. And music. Make sure you experience Portugal's soulful traditional music. Now it's time to build a social life. Adjusting to new culture is easier when you find a supportive community. And here are some ways to connect with others. First, expat groups. Join local Facebook groups, meetup events, or organizations for expats in Portugal. 2, local activities. Engage in community activities like dance class, sports clubs, or even cooking workshops. 3, networking events. Attend international businesses or language exchange meetups to build personal and professional connections. And volunteer opportunities. Get involved in charity work to give back and meet new people. Navigating everyday life in Portugal. Here are some tips for adjusting to daily life. Transportation. Use Portugal's excellent public transport, including metro, buses, and trains. Shopping. Traditional markets offer fresh produce, while supermarkets provide everything else that you need. Work-life balance. Portugal is known for its relaxed lifestyle, so take advantage of long lunch breaks and enjoy some local cafe cultures. Banking and taxes. Stay informed about local tax obligations and banking process in order to manage your finances smoothly. Here's how SDC International Shipping will continue to support you. Even after you move, SDC International Shipping remains your trusted relocation partner with storage solution. We offer secure, long-term and short-term storage if you need extra time before you fully settle in. We have additional shipments. Do you need to ship some additional belongings or furniture? We handle door-to-door deliveries. Relocation assistance. We provide ongoing guidance on custom regulations, vehicle registration, and more. And finally, our customer support. Our team can always answer questions and offer assistance post-move. Portugal offers an incredible lifestyle. We have culture, adventure, and a welcoming community. So whether you're exploring historic sites, making new friends, or enjoying the relaxed pace of life, embracing Portugal to the fullest is key to a successful expat experience. If you're planning your move or you need additional support, contact SDC International Shipping for expert relocation services. Thanks for tuning into this series of Moving to Portugal. We hope this podcast has helped you prepare for your journey. Stay connected for more expat advice on international relocation. Until next time, happy exploring.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888 779-3962.